Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just here to tell you a little bit about this decorative accent rug that I just purchased. I was looking for something to put in front of the door where people come in and hopefully they wipe their feet before they come in on the rug that's outside, but some people don't know how to do that. So the current one that I have right now is like totally ruined. There's like mud and like stains on it and stuff. So I just went and purchased a new one today at the store. So it's a decorative accent rug, classic border. So they come in a bunch of different sizes, by the way. This is like definitely probably the smallest one that they make, but this one is, I want to say it is 20 by 30 inches. So, oh, and it comes in different colors as well. So this is classic border, decorative accent rug. It is stain resistant, machine washable, fade resistant, and skid resistant, with a latex backing, which is great because I know I bought other accent rugs and like slipped on them and stuff, and I'm just kind of clumsy. So, and hopefully this is something that my cat won't ruin. So, care instructions: shake to remove loose dirt, machine wash separately in cold water, use only non-chlorine bleach when needed, do not dry clean, and tumble dry low. In the United States and Canada, this is distributed by Bed Bath & Beyond, 650 Liberty Avenue in Union, New Jersey. Then it's a different importer in Mexico. This is by Maples Rugs, made exclusively for Bed Bath & Beyond by Maples Industries Incorporated, 2210 Moody Ridge Road in Scottsboro, Alabama, 35768. But luckily, if you don't have I don't think most people have a Bed Bath by them, but or whatever. But if you don't, you could order on different websites and you could still find it. So made in USA with imported primary backing, 20 inches by 34 inches, 50.8 centimeters by 86.4 centimeters. There's the barcode. It has a really soft feel, very smooth, and makes a little noise when you run your hands across it, but it feels very smooth, feels nice, and it's very like neutral color, so it looks nice. You know, I'm sure on whatever kind of carpet and color wall you have, like I have like a pinkish brown wall and it goes perfectly with that, all neutral colors. So made in the USA with imported primary backing, like it said. I guess just on here it's reiterating the care instructions: do not dry clean, tumble dry low. And then you can cut the label too. It tells you where to cut it. What does this say? Sew in margin. Oh, okay, so that's where this little label is sewed in. So yeah, I'm gonna be just like putting it in front of my door, and then if I like it, maybe, or if, I mean, I like it, but if my, cat doesn't ruin it or anything like that, I'll buy more. She tends to like, I don't know, it's very weird. I have like carpeting and like, she's actually declawed, but like, she'll go ahead and like play with stuff and like bite it, and I'm like, hopefully she doesn't bite this rug. But no, it's really nice, and I love that it's machine washable. It just makes life easier, protects against any kind of stains or spills or anything like that. And of course I know I'm going to have to wash it because people are going to be wiping their feet on it. But yeah, and then the other colors it came in like a darker brown, and I might have seen a black. No, I don't think I saw a black one. I saw like a dark brown, and I think it had some blue on it. But this was just like the most neutral looking color to me, with the brown and like the beige border. Square, very, very simple, but also very pretty. And like I said, I think it'll go good with any color wall that you have in the house, because it's a neutral color. Neutral colors go with anything. And you could put this anywhere. It could be like a little area rug in your hallway. You can, and then, you could do the same thing as I do. Put it like right by the front door, in the kitchen, wherever you need a little area rug to maybe cover something up or go underneath something. And then I actually want to get another one to go. I have a door that goes off my kitchen onto the deck, and I do want to put a rug there as well for the summertime when people are like coming in and out of that door. So this is classic border decorative accent rug. I hope that you guys found the video useful.